Every iconic cookie begins with one mission: perfect consistency.
Only carefully selected ingredients earn a place in every batch.
Precise measurements keep every cookie tasting exactly the same.
Powerful mixers create smooth dough with perfectly balanced texture. Resting the dough improves texture before shaping begins. Uniform thickness helps every cookie bake evenly from edge to center.
Every pattern is stamped with incredible speed and precision. Smart cameras remove defects before baking ever begins.
Different heat zones bake each cookie with remarkable consistency.
Heat transforms soft dough into crisp chocolate cookies.
Controlled cooling protects the cookies before the filling process begins.
Only perfect cookies continue to the next production stage. Smooth cream is mixed until every batch reaches the perfect texture.
Every cookie receives the exact same amount of creamy filling. Two cookies become one iconic sandwich with perfect alignment.
Balanced pressure creates the perfect cookie without dampening its delicate texture. Artificial intelligence checks every cookie in just a fraction of a second.
Every cookie is carefully aligned before entering the packaging department.
A protected environment keeps every cookie fresh before packaging begins.
Now the journey enters one of the factory's fastest production stages.
Every package begins with strong, food-safe protective film.
Precision printing keeps every package sharp, colorful, and easy to recognize.
Lamination protects each package from moisture, light, and damage.
Automation shapes every package with speed and remarkable accuracy. Robots load every cookie carefully to prevent cracks and breakage. Nitrogen helps protect freshness and reduces cookie breakage during shipping.
Airtight seals lock in freshness from the factory to your home. Every package is checked before leaving the production line.
Robots pack every carton with speed, care, and consistent precision.
From here, millions of cookies begin their journey across America. Industrial robots build perfectly balanced pallets in just a few seconds.
Protective wrapping keeps every shipment secure throughout transportation. From one factory, millions of cookies travel to families across America. From carefully chosen ingredients to your table, every cookie tells a story.